take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
Now I'm done braiding the hair, and as you can see, the braid stops exactly where our natural hair stops. That's where I stopped braiding the extension. So now it's time for me to coil the ends. I'm not going to use any coil rod. I'm using this thread. You can use yarn or wool if you like, but this is the type I'm using. And here is it. I've already prepped some of it. This is how it looks like. So I'm going to use this thread to create the curls. So keep on watching and see how I do it. Here I join 5 braids together, just like this. I join 5 braids together like this. Then I create a knot at the beginning like this. Let me make it 2 knots, 2 times, okay? Then I lightly wrap the thread around the extension, not too tight, just lightly wrapping it. I hope you can see what I'm doing until it gets to the ends. Then I pull it, I draw it like this. Yes. Then I create another knot at the end to secure it from losing. So that's how I'm going to do the rest of the hair to create the coils. After doing that, then I put it in the hot water. I repeat the same thing to all the braids until I'm done. So keep watching and follow how I'm doing it. Just lightly wrap the thread around the extension hair. After wrapping it, you then draw it in like this. It. Then you create a knot to secure it.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to live